Now let's look at Kia's net earnings. When you look at it, she's got $4,237 in gross monthly salary. We want to figure out her net earnings by taking $4,237, and we're gonna multiply that actually by 0.1855, and that's going to give us $785.96. That's in her withholdings. Now we're going to take 4,237 and we're going to subtract 785.96. Okay, and that's going to give us $3,451.04. Now, at this stage, what we're going to do is we're going to underestimate to the nearest $10. So instead of $3,451.04, we're going to go to $3,450 as her net income, not 51. Now let's figure out what her necessary expenses are. What we're going to do is we're going to take $3,450 and each time multiply that by the percentage uh, for each expense. Our necessary includes housing, utilities, food, essentials, medical, clothing, transportations, and savings. So we're going to take 3,450 and we're going to multiply it by 0.3 for 30%. Okay, that gives us $1,035. We're going to take utilities. That's going to be $3,450 times 5%. Okay, and that comes out to be $172.50. We're going to take her food percentage, so 3,000. Let's clear that. Sorry, $3,450 and multiply that by 20% or 0.2. Then we're going to take 3,450 and multiply it by 0.04 because she's a girl and essentials cost more for girls. Don't ask why. So that's $138. Now we're going to look at, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to write these down as I go along because I'm going to forget them. 170, 172.50, 690, 138. Okay, and let's not forget about our medical. That's again 3,450 times 0.05. That's going to give me, oh, well, I've already done that one. So that's, I already know 1,700.5. We know that clothing is 7%, so 3,450 times 7%. And that gives me 241.5. And then we're going to do for transportation 3,450 times 0.15, and that comes out to be 517.5. And then finally 3,450 times 0.08. Okay, and that comes out to be $276. Now, we need to get a total for this. So a lot of people would say, well, you should round up for each one, and that could be that is the right way to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to overestimate on each one to the nearest $10. Okay, so on 1,035, we're going to put 1,040. On 1,000 or 172.50, we're going to put 180. Okay, for 690, it can stay 690. We're going to go to 138 is now going to be 140. 172 again is 140. No, I'm sorry. That's going to be 180. Okay. And then we're at 241.50. Let's put 250 in that. 517.50. We're going to put 520. And then 276 will make 280. So now we've overestimated our expenses to be $3,280. Our discretionary is 2%. Now, essentials, would be nice if this Kia were a man, then we'd know that 2% already. But right now, we don't. So we're going to take 3,280 and we're going to multiply it by 0.02. And that gives me $65.60. That $65.60 is going to round up to $70. So if Kia's expenses are figured out as a percentage,